believing in blind beliefs is one of the most disregarded practices in this modern world. Moreover, a person who practices these blind beliefs is tagged as uneducated and also sometimes stereotyped as a villager and a person who doesn't have enough scientific knowledge to fit this modern society of 21st century. But what if I say you that instead of making fun of these blind beliefs, yeah, not all, but some blind beliefs which have some kind of scientific evidence which you didn't know, had to make an effort to know on what was the reason for it to come into practice, and also you yourself follow it. Hello guys, I'm Sudhanshu and you're watching Srinudi channel, and today in this video I'll be telling you some untold truths about blind beliefs which we never knew or didn't make an effort to know because we were restricted generally from our elders from knowing it. So let's begin. First of all, when it comes to blind belief, one thing we have to keep in mind that we have kept the name blind. We have called it blind because there was no suitable reasoning given to us by our elders regarding the exact reason for which we had to follow or continue the tradition of believing those beliefs. But we should not forget that these blind beliefs, which the so-called blind beliefs which we call today, are nothing but the truth that our ancestors left for us to practice even till date. But now the time has changed and everything needs proof. Well, you might not know, many people don't know there are some scientific evidences provided regarding some of the blind beliefs, and you have to start following it from today. Moreover, when you start practicing blind beliefs, you have to be smart, you have to be more logical and think it more practically whether it will be of any use to you when you use it at that particular moment. Well, if you're not understanding what I'm saying, let me give you an example. One of the most famous blind belief is when a cat passes by your path, you have to pause for some time and then move. This is the most common blind belief, and nowadays nobody practices. Hardly you can see anybody doing that. Well, the reason behind this to be followed is that, not the reason first, not the exact reason first. What was the reason that our elders gave us? They said, if you don't practice this, then you will face bad time in the future. That is something like a bad omen for your activities. So that was something our elders said. Let's take it as elders. But now, we need the exact reason. We don't have to be told with lies. We don't have to be scared, right? The exact reason is when a cat passes by your path, there can be two reasons why the cat will pass by your path from one side to another side, okay? One, that the cat is afraid of being a prey to another predator. The second reason, the cat itself is trying to be a predator for its prey. Means, in the first case, it is trying to escape from a predator. Generally, cats are afraid of snakes and also dogs. And the second case being, it is trying to catch some prey, which absolutely has no kind of, there is no danger from that thing. But when it becomes the first case, you have to pay a bit of attention because maybe it was being chased by a mad dog or even a snake, and it might pass, but the next thing, the predator will see you. Person the predator sees is you. You look more interesting than the cat. Yes, this might be a bit weird, but that's true. So you might get into trouble by this. So when a cat passes by, you have to halt and pay a bit of attention on the road and what's happening. And as I told, think logically whether you have to actually stop at that moment. If it's generally walking, you will look like a stupid to other people when it normally casually walks from one side to another, and you pause and do all kind of the praying stuff, everything that's left to you. But when it just passes fastly, like you'll get to know whether it was afraid or it was trying to catch. You'll get to know that that's something our inner self will say us. So you have to be logical and practical in deciding whether you have to practice that blind belief, obey to that rules, and pause for a minute and then move on. This is what I meant with logical and practically thinking and practicing this blind belief. Yes, of course, there are many blind beliefs which have no scientific evidence, and also they are not preferred to be practiced because, moreover, they are not necessary for us nowadays. But the reason why this came into practice is before and all there was no kind of vehicle, so people had to walk. And life is so uncertain that you might face with some such dangers in your way. That's the reason this blind belief came into being. Well, if you like this video, then press the like button and subscribe to our channel. An important note is that the reason for you to follow blind belief shouldn't be, there are two kinds of reasons, okay? The first one being you're afraid of the story that your grandma told you. The second reason being you're aware of the scientific evidence or the logical evidence, and you know why you have to actually follow it. Let your reason be the second one, and make sure you also make other people aware of this. Meet you guys next time. Thanks for watching.